Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to gain weight in a healthy way, you're in the right place. Today we'll talk about a simple strategy for healthy weight gain, focusing on what you should eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's dive in. Why healthy weight gain? First, let's talk about why healthy weight gain is important. Many people think that gaining weight means just eating a lot of food, but it's really about making smart choices. Here's why focusing on healthy weight gain matters. Building muscle. When you gain weight in a healthy way, you're not just adding fat, you're building muscle. This is important for strength and overall health. Muscle helps you perform daily activities with ease, whether it's lifting something heavy or playing sports. Improved energy levels. Eating nutrient-dense foods gives your body the energy it needs to stay active. Instead of feeling sluggish, you'll feel energized and ready to tackle your day. Healthy foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your body's functions. Better immune system. Balanced diet rich in whole foods strengthens your immune system. This means you're less likely to get sick. Foods high in nutrients, like fruits and vegetables, help keep your body strong and resilient. Long-term health. Healthy weight gain can reduce the risk of many health issues, such as heart disease and diabetes. By choosing whole foods and healthy fats, you're investing in your future health. Mental well-being. Nutrition plays a big role in mental health too. Eating well can improve your mood and overall mental clarity. When you nourish your body, you also nourish your mind. Boosting confidence. Many people struggle with body image. Gaining weight in a healthy way can help you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. It's about finding balance and feeling good about yourself. Tailoring your journey. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Focusing on healthy weight gain allows you to customize your approach based on your body's needs and your personal goals. Breakfast ideas. Now, let's start with breakfast. Here are some great options. Oatmeal with fruits. Cook some oatmeal and top it with bananas or berries. This gives you fiber and vitamins. Greek yogurt with nuts. Greek yogurt is high in protein. Add some nuts for healthy fats and extra calories. Smoothies. Blend bananas, spinach, peanut butter, and milk. This is a tasty way to pack in calories and nutrients. Remember, breakfast is important for kickstarting your day. Lunch ideas. Next up is lunch. Here are some healthy choices. Quinoa salad. Mix quinoa with veggies, chickpeas, and olive oil. Quinoa is a great source of protein. Whole grain sandwich. Use whole grain bread with turkey, cheese, and lots of veggies. It's filling and nutritious. Brown rice bowl. Cook brown rice and add grilled chicken or tofu, along with veggies. You can top it with avocado for healthy fats. Feel free to mix and match these ideas to suit your taste. Dinner ideas. Finally, let's talk about dinner. Here are some tasty ideas. Stir fry. Use lean meat or tofu with lots of colorful vegetables. Serve it over brown rice or whole grain noodles. Baked salmon with sweet potatoes. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients. Chili. Make a hearty chili with beans, ground turkey, and tomatoes. It's warm, filling, and full of protein. Snacks and extras. Don't forget about snacks. Here are some healthy options to help you gain weight. Nut butters. Spread on whole grain toast or apples. Trail mix. Mix nuts, seeds, and dried fruit for a quick snack. Cheese and whole grain crackers. Simple yet nutritious choice. Final tips. Here are some final tips to help you eat more frequently. Try to eat 5 to 6 small meals instead of 3 big ones. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, but don't fill up on it before meals. Strength training. Exercise helps you build muscle, which is key for healthy weight gain. Thanks for watching. I hope these meal ideas help you on your weight gain journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments your favorite healthy meal. See you next time.